Hey you guys, this is Gaming Bureau coming back at you from my Redstone server, and tonight we are bringing you a very special circuit. This is a bifunctional button circuit. And what I mean by that is when we jump right into it, we have a button here right behind me. And when we press this button, the piston to our left will fire, and it will not stick, but it will just fire once in a pulse fashion. So, here we go. Boom. And when we press the same button a second time, the piston in the back fires, just in a pulse fashion, but not the piston to the left. And when we press it again, the piston to the left fires. And when we press it again, the piston out back fires. So how do we do this, you guys? This is so dope. This is an RS NOR latch that has been modified to include a T flip-flop into its circuitry. And by that lets us have an RS NOR latch that fires on one button. The same button sets it on the first press and resets it on the second press, giving us our RS functionality. Past that, this NOR latch funnels each of its outputs into a converter from a signal to a pulse, so that our button pulse originally stays a button pulse. And this is that machine right here. We need to make sure that whichever side is going into the side of the comparator, rather, is turned into a 4-tick repeater, and that our comparator is in subtract mode. But when we do that, we get it to where one piston fires on the first press, and the second output fires on the second press. I don't know if I can explain much more in better detail what this does, but if you just watch here, on the first press it activates the first piston, on the second press it activates the second piston, and then it resets all on the same button. You guys, this is huge. If you've ever seen those gates that open with double piston extenders on the bottom and double piston extenders on the top, this is a way to open and close that gate with the same button. So if you liked it, let me know in the comment section below, and I will do a detailed tutorial on how to build this. Sorry, I'm talking